Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss paper 2 presentation of May-June 2021. The variant is 2. Now we are going to perform task number 6 is presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slides must be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. Okay. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file j2122 rules.rtf. We have to open the file j2122 rules. First of all, you have to open the presentation and go to the home tab and click the new slide and go to the slide from the outline, and you have to select the file from the folder desktop videos 2021 May June, and the file is j2122 rules. Here is a file, and first of all you have to delete the slide number 1. Just click and right click the slide and delete the slides. Okay, come to the point. Place in the footer your name, center number and candidate number. The footer must be displayed on all slides. You have to place the footer. Just go to the view tab and click the slide master and select the slide number 1. Okay, and click the go to the insert tab and go to the header and footer and place the footer. Okay, and write your name. Just and suppose your candidate number is 000 and your center number is 000. Apply to all, and just I need footer, your name, center and candidate number. The footer must be displayed. Okay, and the other one slide number, you have to delete the slide number and also date. And I want to check, go to the view tab and go to the normal slide. This is a footer, and this footer is shown on the slides. On the slides with the title transitions, demoted the last 3 bullets items so that look like this. Competitors must not and cycle in the transition area. Okay, we have demoted the 3 cells. Go to the competitors and transitions. Here is the transition slide, and we have to demote it. Wait the progress. Yes, these are the 3 points and we have to demote it. Just select these points and go to the home tab and click increase list level, and they are demoted. And we have to place the hyphens. Go to the home tab and click the bullet and numbering and go to the customized, and this is the hyphen, and these are look like that. Okay, the next point is change the layout of the slide with the title common penalties to a title and table. Common penalties, this is the common penalties, and we have to change the layout. Just go to the layout and click the title and content. Okay, and we have to place create a table that contains 4 columns and 13 rows. We have to insert 4 columns and 13 rows. Just click the insert tables and 4 columns and 13 rows. 4 columns and 13 rows. Just click the OK. Here is a table, and copy the data from the file j2122 table.csv and place in this the table. Okay, go to the table Here is a table. First of all, we have to align the table and then copy the data from the table and paste into the presentation. Just copy, right click, copy and paste into this table. Just click and control V. Okay, fine. The next one is format the table so that a plain table style is applied with no cell shading. Okay, a plain table is required, so click on the table and go to the table design and go to this shading. This is called shading, and no fields and all border. This is a plain table. Okay, the next point is all internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. uh, these are the grid lines. Okay, fine. And we have to manage. Okay, fine. The next point is insert two new rows as the first two rows of the table. We have two rows inserted in this table. Just click and insert above and then above. Okay, fine. The next task is look like this. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4 look like this. We have to merge these cells. Just select and right click and go to the merge cells. Okay, fine. And the next one is we have to merge these cells, merge cells. Okay, and put the text in that area, conduct. Just copy and paste on that area. And just like as same type of penalty. Stop and go. Time. And the third one is disqualification. And here is the disqualification, and here is the type of penalty. Just copy and paste on the of this row. Just you have to change the color from the home tab. This is the type of penalty. You have to change the color because okay, fine. These are in centers, and I have to alignment center and in the middle. fine. Look like this. Okay, fine. The next point is adjust the columns width so data in column 1 is displayed in one line. The table fits in one slide with all data fully visible. Now we can check all the data are visible. Okay, the next point is save the presentation. Print out slides and presentation as handouts with 2 centimeters. Sorry, in point number 32 we have to shaded these areas. Just click and shade these areas in like as. Just click and schedule this. Okay, fine. Now print all slides in presentation with 2 slides to the page, each side filling half of the page. Now go to the file and go to the print. We need 2 slides on. These are the 2 slides. Okay, fine. And now you can print the file. Thank you guys and my dear students. Hopefully you can understand my lecture. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.